I'm Emma Curtis, and I'm one of the agriculture teachers at Weld Central High School. This year, just like last year, Tagawa Greenhouse donated several plants for our annual FFA fundraiser that we have for our plant sales. Our horticulture class grows these plants and takes care of them through the spring semester of our school year. We're grateful to Tagawas for their donation. We've already sold out of all of our petunias, and we're getting pretty close to selling out of a lot of our other flowering plants. So we really appreciate the donation and the time and opportunity that our kids get to take care of these plants. This money from the fundraiser will be used for student scholarships that they'll get through participation in our agriculture program and FFA. And then it also goes back into our program, our greenhouse, and all of the other supplies and everything that it takes to run the greenhouse full time.